Rob from RGL Machinery here. Just a little quick tip on this Makita DUH754 single-sided hedge trimmer. I'm wondering if anyone can spot the difference before I tell you. But yeah, what I've done on this one is I have taken off this thigh protector guard here that sits right there. Literally immediately as soon as I started cutting with it, I knew that that had to come off. It just gets sort of caught up on stuff. You don't generally seem to have these protectors on the single-sided hedge trims, they're more for the double-sided. But yeah, just a little quick tip, take this off and your hedge trimmer will cut through stuff a lot easier. With this on, it feels like there's a bit of resistance when you're cutting through hedges and stuff, especially the finer hedges. And it's quite easy to remove. You just gotta undo your top catcher plate thing, and then just undo your bolts. And hopefully I can show this. That one under there is the trickiest one, in the middle of the shot there, and the one on the left, you've got to get a spanner in there, and it's a little bit tight and awkward. But yeah, it's relatively easy to do, and it makes cutting a lot nicer, trust me. Obviously if you're not comfortable, leave this on and don't worry about it, but if you're a professional, I certainly recommend taking this off. The performance is a lot better. Cheers.